Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about the T-Rex Møller 2. Let's go! The T-Rex Møller 2 is both an overdrive pedal as well as a boost pedal in one. It has all the controls you would expect from an overdrive pedal and more. There's the very standard level, gain and tone controls, but there's also a mix knob to set the balance of your clean and distorted signal. Roll it back a bit to make your clean signal come through nicely, or roll it all the way up to sound just like an old tube amp on full volume. The boost knob controls the amount of clean boost that goes from 0 to 20 dB. You activate the boost by hitting the boost foot switch. Lastly, there's a little switch to give you the option of an added bass boost. Now let's check out how these controls exactly interact with our sound. Now if you still have any more questions on the T-Rex Møller 2, then feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!